Okay, so to set this thing up, so you're gonna, you get a nice little carry bag with it, a little ripstop carry bag. The AMC, XV, AMC, whatever that is, check this thing out. Look at how neat this thing looks. So just going over it here, this is an inflatable seat pad. So I'll use this 90% of the time in my truck while I'm doing these long travels. If you're like me and you're sitting in a vehicle for long periods of the time, sometimes you can just get a lot of fatigue in your back and your rear end area. This right here has this grippy material. It's like a silicone type grip that holds it in place. So let me move the bag and let me show you. So it just fits in the seat just like this. And you see this little corner right here? Push to inflate. You know what? They don't make it any easier than that. Right here's where you're going to deflate it. You're going to lift that up, and it's a one-way check valve for deflation, but you're going to close that up. Now, all you got to do is get this thing. It has a built-in pump, everybody. I guess it takes around about 2, maybe even, no, I say maybe about a minute, depends on how fast. Actually, the way I do it is I grab it like this. I think it's just a little ball pump in there. You don't want to go 100% with this. You want to inflate it to probably about 70 to 80% of its inflation. That way you don't get it too tight. You can already see it starting to form a seat pad. I do like how it has these individual different like pockets right here. I would say that's about it. That's as tight as I'm going to go with it. That's not, you can see, this is one of the most comfortable seat pad. Actually, I think running it like that might be a little better. Watch this. This is one of the most comfortable seat pads that I've used in a while. The way it just kind of like contours around, it doesn't move when I'm moving forward or back. It's locked in because of that silicone. Now I also use this on my like office chair, and also like when I'm just sitting like at a bench somewhere. If you're going to like a football game and you're on those hard bleachers, this would be great for that too. And then when you want to like break it down, you want to deflate it down. Watch how quickly this thing deflates down. You just pull that out and then roll it up just like that, and then you can keep rolling it up. I'm not going to deflate it down because I'm going to actually put it back in here and use it, but this is something I recommend for anyone that just needs to have a good comfortable seat pad on the go that, you know what, will not break the bank and will not break you back. So there it is, everybody. That's all I got on, you know what, the inflatable seat pad. See you on the next video.